Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am 𝙿𝚾𝚾 and I'm back with another video. This time we are talking all about this hair, baby. Do we see this hair? Do we see the shine, the body, the everything? This hair is gorgeous. This is hair from Queen Weave Beauty and I'm going to give you guys all the details, everything that y'all need to know because y'all need to run and get this hair, okay? Without further ado, make sure you guys are subscribed and I'll have my socials linked in the description box. Everything that I'm going to mention in this video will be listed down below as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, you guys, so I got the deep wave from Queen Weave Beauty. Oh, this hair is just gorgeous and I ended up getting inches 20, 22 and 24, and this is my go-to lengths for the deep wave. I love the bundles. This is how the bundles come. They are very thick and I just love the body and they're very, very soft. Like, one thing that I will say about Queen Weave Beauty's hair is that it's always soft. Hair lasts a long time too as well, so I really love that. You're getting your money's worth. We know that my hair does not match the deep wave because I have kinky curly hair and it just doesn't match its natural texture, but the natural texture of this deep wave. But for me, I decided that I would do the flip over method so that way I won't have to have as much hair out. So we decided, I called over my hairstylist and I told her that I wanted to do the flip over method. Flip over method is a perfect way to do this. I feel like this sewing with this hair, this textured hair, because you don't have to have a lot of hair out and it will also help you to blend it better so that it's like seamless. My stylist went ahead and cornrowed my hair down, plaited it. She has like a certain technique that she does. I'm not really sure what it is, but she plaited it down and we fit all 3 bundles. One thing about me, I use all my bundles. Like, we're using everything, okay? And I love to have my hair full, so that's why we decided to go ahead and use all 3 bundles, all of the 20, the 22, and the 24 inches. And then once we got to the very top, that's when she started doing the flip over method, and that is something that I'm not gonna give you guys a tutorial, but you guys can look it up or even have your hairstylist do the flip over method when you go and get your hair done. Why my hair looks just a little bit more curlier and how the bundles looked when you guys seen them in my head, I will show you guys how it looks exactly on my head without styling it, without washing it. It's pretty much how the texture looks. This is how my hair is looking right when she was done. So now I'm like, okay, what should I do? But I remember back then when I used to do my hair like this, the only way for me to really get a good blend was to wand curl it. So I decided to wand curl my hair so that we can have a good blend. And also I really like my hair to be really big, and I feel like with the hair already being deep wave and already having that texture and then adding in the wand curls, it makes the hair even bigger. Like, this is just very like fresh hair. Y'all, in a few days it's gonna get bigger. It's gonna get so much bigger, and if I wanted to be bigger than this, I would go in with a pick. I can even go in with a wide like tooth comb and just like kind of like just pick at it and kind of like make more volume. I can definitely do that. So I just think this hair is just awesome, and so I just wand curled my natural hair. So I basically have my crown out, so I have the top part of my head, I have the side of my hair out, and the back part. So I'm able to also, like, if I really wanted to, I'm able to clip my hair back like with a clip. So this part is my natural hair right here that's wand curled. So if I wanted to, I could clip it back. I can also put it in a ponytail because I have hair out in the back as well. I wanted to make sure that it's versatile, and so that I can still wear my hair in a ponytail, I can still go to the gym, I can do different styles with this hair, especially because fall season is coming around, and this is one of the protective styles that I like to do during this season. So I just think this is some gorgeous hair, and I think you guys are gonna love it. If you guys have any questions on anything, this hair does not tangle like that. Y'all, I don't know, Queen Weave Beauty's hair just doesn't tangle on me, like, and I love that. Even after washing it, putting products in it and all that, it just doesn't tangle. And I feel like for the price, it's perfect. This is just amazing hair, and I think you guys are gonna love it. And I feel like even if you didn't want to wear it in its natural state, this will also be great hair to like flat iron and add like curls. Some people do that. They will use their weaves, they'll get a deep wave so that they can have more texture when they're doing like a weave, like where they're having like leave out and stuff, and they might want to curl it, add layers and stuff. This would be perfect hair for that as well. So just FYI, you don't have to wear it like this. You can also flat iron it, you can put heat to it, all that. It's just human hair. So I think you guys are gonna love it. I will link everything down in the description box for you guys so you guys can check it out. And Queen Weave Beauty, you guys always come through with the hair. I just need y'all to know, okay? I just love their hair, and I just thought, after all the DMs that I got in my recent videos of me wearing my hair like this, that I should give you guys a video and sharing the details of my hair and everything. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on it. I'll probably give you guys a review like after a month. I usually like to keep my weaves in for about like 1 to 2 months. I feel like the last time I had my weave in, I had it in for like over 3 months. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. But honestly, some great hair. And I'm just gonna stand up so you guys can see kind of like how, where it like lands on my back. So this is obviously my butt. And so this is like how long the hair is when I'm standing up straight and to the side. Much how long the hair is. It's just really gorgeous hair. At the wand curls, like it keeps the wand curls, like it holds it, and that's what we love. Because obviously with straight hair, it doesn't last as long, but when you have something that's a little bit more textured and you wand curl it, it will last and it will hold the curl. So just keep that in mind when you guys are searching through the website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a comment down below, a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will have every detail linked in the description box below if you guys are interested. And I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
Worry about your ex, you should be worried about what's next. Worry about your ex, worry got you stressed. Hurry, don't get left.